International award to be instituted in Tagore's name, announces Dr. Manmohan Singh. To commemorate Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore's 150th birth anniversary, Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh today announced a prestigious international award to be instituted in the Gurudev's name. While inaugurating the celebrations in New Delhi at an event that was also marked by UPA President Sonia Gandhi, Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee, HRD Minister Kapil Sibal and INB Minister Ambika Soni, among others, Dr. Singh described the renowned poet, novelist, artist, thinker and educationist as a multifaceted genius.
I am happy to announce that the Government of India has decided to institute a prestigious international award in the name of Rabindranath Tagore to recognize very distinguished contributions towards the promotion of international brotherhood and fraternity, with a view to revitalize some of our important cultural institutions and to encourage high-quality research into their precious resources. The Ministry of Culture has introduced a new Tagore National Fellowship for Cultural Research. Under this scheme, renowned scholars have been invited to take up research projects on unknown or lesser known cultural resources that lie within our cultural institution. I invite distinguished scholars from India and the world over to avail of this prestigious and well-funded Tagore Fellowship.
Rabindranath Tagore, poet and singer, composer of a prodigious number of songs that are part of the consciousness of almost every speaker of the Bengali tongue, author of volumes of short stories, novels, plays and essays, the Goethe and Shakespeare of Bengal. He is part of the life of two nations, and whenever generations of Indians and Bangladeshis sing their national anthems, it is Tagore's words and music that they sing.
Dr. Singh added, a number of events are to be organized over the year as part of the anniversary celebrations to make Tagore's work more accessible for audience and future generations.
The commemoration events planned over the next 1 year are intended to rekindle interest in Rabindranath Tagore's thoughts and teachings as much as in his verses, his paintings and his music.
The Prime Minister also announced that a special grant of 95 crore rupees would be given to the Vishwa Bharati University established by Tagore. Purnima with Banjot for ANI.